Hello there once again, and welcome back to a new episode of Serus and Cypher's channel. Alright, today we have here is the Dominion Battle Damage Genyodectes Serus. We have the Walmart edition. You squeeze this, damage shows up. So we already have two variants of this, a Dino Tracker and a Dominion. This is the Dominion. Has two scratches on the underside. Has a neck articulation from up and down. Mouth opens up. Tail swings. The Dino Tracker version doesn't have a button here. Okay. And here is a Dino Tracker Pianitzkysaurus. It is a custom paint. You can see it used to be yellow here. I colored it. An army green. The thighs, the tail. Okay. Here is the original. I have two of these. I think the custom paint got a little better. See, look at the tail. Let's add some green to the thigh. There we go. Huh? Alright guys, so okay, let's open it up for you guys. There's the DNA scan. And for this guy, there you go. Okay. We brought this out because they seem closer to the new LOPHOSTROPHEUS. Never heard of this dinosaur before. It looks like a scary one. Has a crest on the head, like a Dilophosaurus. Okay. All right. So let's unbox it. We have a new symbol there. This one looks like a Genyodectes. Okay. The Jacopil has a T-Rex in it. That is a T-Rex, same as the Dimetrodon. Don't know why like that. They can change it again. The Sangaraptors, I don't have this yet. Hard to find. Okay. Alright, let's unbox it now. Alright guys. Okay, let's open up. Alright, so what's with this guy? There's the DNA scan. Let's see the face. Nice sculpt. The mouth does not open all the way. That's all it can do. That's the widest. See, that's it. I'm trying my best. It won't open up. Alright, teeth are pretty sharp, nice and sharp. Nice hands, sharp. Doesn't have any talons. That means it's not a raptor. Okay, there's this battle damage right there. You see that? There's a scratch right there. Where else? There's a little one right there. There's some over there. There's another one in the back. There's three scratches right there. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's compare to the Pianitzkysaurus. So the Pianitzky is taller and it has a bigger head, but this one has a longer snout though. I like its crest better. It has a, what is this, like a lime green or some kind of yellow. We're gonna get two more of these. Meanwhile, the Genyodectes Serus, totally different. Alright. Alright. So no sound at all. All danger packs don't have any sound. Has same thing, going up and down. There. Yep, that's it. It won't open all the way. So yeah. There you go guys. The LOPHOSTROPHEUS. Very small one. Alright guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And also, can't wait for Halloween day because the new Giga Hybrid is like what, 99% finished already. I'm gonna finish up today if I can. Alright guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a great week. Bye. Bye for now.